Now, if we're going to draw the gradient function for this one, the first thing to note is that there are no turning points here. We do have what seems to be an asymptote, where the gradient becomes infinite. And that will be maintained over here on the gradient function. If we look at this side, the gradient is positive. It's very small and positive here, very large and positive here. So it's going to do something similar, like so. But on this side, the gradient is negative, very large and negative here, so a long way below the axis, and close to zero here. So this one is going to go like this.